away your Pringle bottle cap because we can make cute DIY fridge magnets with them and store your memories on the fridge. So let's get started. Is a hot glue gun, some magnets, and some cardboards, and the Pringle bottle caps, a pen and a pair of scissors, and some of your old pictures or random pictures. First of all, we need to trace the Pringle cap to the cardboard so we can support the photo. So I'll use the pen to so like this, then cut it out. So here I am. So let's see if it fits the back. So it's perfect. Now we will place the photo. Just like that. And now cut it out. Now done. Now we are going to nicely wipe the Pringle bottle cap. Now we are going to put the photo. And then we are going to put it. It sticks perfectly. Now we will take the hot glue gun and stick one of these magnets on them. Now we are going to put some hot glue on the center and stick the magnet. Now I put the hot glue. Now I'm just going to put the magnet. Be careful with the hot glue. Now just hold it for 5 seconds. Fridge magnet is ready to go on the fridge. Here are some of my fridge magnets. Let me show my fridge. Decorated with my DIY fridge magnet. Here's my fridge filled with DIY fridge magnets. These are my sweet memories